Well, what was interesting is maybe, we actually did an analysis, right? Their best months were January and July. And then I had a little bit of data for November. I think I had some stuff for November 1st or something like that. But you look, remember we looked and they ran very, very similarly February, March, April, right? What was interesting is this quality parameter steadily decreased and this one steadily increased, which went, was poor and went poorer, and this was good and went worse. They didn't really change much, which I'm almost like, well, what changed on your feedstock coming in? Were there other things that we're not looking at that changed it?
Maybe environmentals.
Could be environmental. We don't know, right? But what I could definitively say was July was your best month. October was almost as bad as it got. And I saw drastic differences between July and October. And we saw drastic differences, all through the months. You didn't really stay the same.
What'll be wild is if when it gets cooler in December and back to January, if they haven't figured out the issue, and then the data quality goes similar, or the quality of the outputs goes similar to what we see.
Well, one thing that is interesting is in one of the operations, they do know the ambient temperature does have an effect because they have to pull more air. Because they're heating it up and they need more air. They need more air. I think I remember them very distinctly saying ambient air does affect it. We do need to pull more air when it gets cooler out. And, it'd be interesting to see, but we don't have the readings. Like I even thought about throwing weather data at this, just going and getting the local weather station daily average high and low and throwing it at it and saying, does that seem to matter? But I think we could see it in the seasonal. I think we could probably make enough inference there that, that we could see that.